11 Stack Tulip Latte Art. We appreciate your interest in our artisanal coffee creations. Our baristas are dedicated to crafting beautiful and delicious beverages. The intricate patterns, such as the stacked tulip, are a testament to their skill and passion. We strive to offer a visually delightful experience alongside our high-quality drinks. Each cup is prepared with care and precision. We hope you enjoy the artistry in every sip. Thank you for choosing our establishment. We look forward to serving you soon. We are delighted to present a demonstration of an intricate latte art technique. This particular method involves carefully pouring the milk to create multiple distinct layers. The resulting pattern resembles a series of stacked tulip blossoms. It requires a steady hand and precise control over the milk stream. This advanced skill showcases a dedication to the craft of coffee preparation. We hope you find this visual display both educational and inspiring. It is a testament to the artistry achievable with a simple beverage. Enjoy this unique expression of coffee creativity.